Since 2016, IKEA started to learn the Filipino homes by visiting them, and this year we wanted to continue this. Kaya last June, we launched this Search for IKEA Magazine cover models where we invited technically everyone of different age, size, shapes, from different walks of life. And out of 2,000 entries, we selected 5. And these 5 winners are on the cover of our very first IKEA Philippines Magazine.
Pagtanda ko lang nangyari sa akin. Kaya sobrang saya. Ang program niya sa sarili ko. Hindi mo akalain, di ba?
Pero masaya kasi parang I'm a big fan ng IKEA talaga. First time ko ulit.
Considered the lifestyle and the personality of each individual in translating the design. We considered their dreams, their frustrations, and we incorporated local elements that would reflect the Filipino culture of everyday living.
I actually never thought of this happening ever in my life. I know my family will see it, and I don't know how they will react, but I'm just really grateful that I get to be myself.
We're very much happy to be chosen.
We're representing Filipinos and we're representing the first IKEA.
I'm really excited and happy that we won, considering it's going to be the biggest IKEA.
The shooting was fun, and with all the people here inside, it's super fun, crazy, exciting.
Yes, and it was also our first time doing a photo shoot together as a couple. And the set was really nice. I mean, we're really amazed with everything around us. And maraming salamat, Chick, for... Kasi nahatak lang ako dito. At siya yung nagsubmit ng entry, tapos nahatak lang ako for the shoot.
Definitely honored to be part of a campaign like this. It's just kind of magical to see everything coming together.